Hosting an occasion can be an exciting prospect, but where do you start? As a professional stylist, I'm going to share with you my top tips to help you create a beautiful entertainer's backyard for Christmas. The biggest tip I can give to you is to do a clean and tidy of the space first. This will ensure your space is sparkling. On Christmas Day, your family and guests may stay a little longer than the average occasion. It's a great idea to create individual spaces to keep them moving throughout the day. I've set up this little seating area where guests can mingle when they first arrive. By having comfortable seating, guests can relax into the day. I've added these textural cushions to the space, which look fantastic and provide added comfort. A good tip with cushions is to always work in odd numbers. Now, when people first arrive, you're probably going to want to offer them a drink. These handy ice buckets will keep your drinks cold. Also a great idea to have a trestle table with glassware. That way, you're not running in and out of the house to serve your guests. When it's time to eat, let's head on over to the table. Picking a theme for your table and surrounds is the best place to start. I've chosen an Australian botanical theme this year, which is perfect for summer entertaining. To create this look, I've used a white base for our table, which matches in with our outdoor setting from earlier. I've then brought in accents of green through carefully placed foliage down the centre of the table. This gazebo provides perfect protection from the elements. Consider getting creative and hang a centerpiece above the table. I've made this one by using rope and foliage. So simple, but a real talking point. Integrated within it and all around the dining area are these beautiful lights. So when the sun goes down, this space will come alive with ambient lighting. Adding candles down the center of the table to complement the above lighting. And remember, when the sun starts to go down, consider protecting your guests with a bug zapper so you can kick on into the night. Guests don't want to leave smelling like their culinary experience, so it's a great idea to set up a barbecue away from your seated eating area. Barbecues offer a modern dining experience on a traditional Christmas, and they allow you to stay close to your guests for the entire day. Another great tip is to set up a food station next to the barbecue using a fold-up trestle table. Discreetly place a portable esky under the trestle and keep extra supplies in this storage tub for easy access. A meat thermometer is a handy tool for people who are not used to cooking larger portions of meat. Also a great gift idea. So after you finish eating, it's time to get people moving to burn off all that fuel. A trampoline is a great way. A few accessories like chalk and bubbles will keep the trampoline going when bouncing has finished. Another easy backyard game for the whole family is bucket ball. It could bring out a bit of friendly rivalry amongst our guests. So lastly, consider ending your evening by the fire with a toasty marshmallow.